Hey guys, this is a video for constructing a parallel line to a given segment. And so we're going to use the converse of the corresponding angles postulate, which is if two corresponding angles on a transversal are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so we're going to construct two congruent corresponding angles along a transversal. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this option and have you repeat it, but there is a second option. Two lines that are perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other. So you can actually use the perpendicular line construction and do two perpendicular lines, and then you can get two lines that are parallel. I'm going to show you option one since we haven't done one like this yet. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm first just going to create a transversal. So I'm going to use A for it to go through so that this angle I'm creating around A is kind of like a corresponding angle. So I'm going to draw a transversal nice and long. Okay, so basically this is a corresponding angle right here. I want to copy this angle up here somewhere so that if I make this angle exactly the same up here, those lines have to be parallel because corresponding angles are congruent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a spot to copy it to. So I'm just going to put another point somewhere up here. Okay, so to copy an angle, this is a construction we've done already as well. I'm going to put my pin on A. And I just want to make it smaller than this one so I'm not overlapping the angle up above. And I'm going to create an arc that crosses this ray and this ray. And I'm going to move the paper to help me out with that a little bit, you guys. Sorry, it's getting caught on my camera here. Okay, so that arc I just created, I want to copy that up here. So I'm going to make it again nice and wide, move the paper if you need to. Okay, so that arc I just created here, I kept it exactly the same and created it here. The next thing I have to copy is how wide is that angle. So these two intersection points, I want to make my compass match that width. So I'm going to put my pin on one, pencil on the other, so I want that to touch. Okay, so now I'm going to copy that width up here. So put my pin here, I'm just going to make a little intersection. So I'm going to connect this point to that intersection to create my parallel line. Okay, and there's my point, connect, and there's my line that is parallel. Okay, so by copying that angle up here, we made sure those two corresponding angles were congruent. I'd like you guys to practice that option over here on the second one. All right, thanks for watching.